In this video, I'll be doing a shop-made tool. It will be this. Stick around after the video and I'll explain what it is and why I made it.
Shake it, don't break it. Shake it, don't break it. Shake it, don't break it. Shake it, don't break it. Shake it, don't break it.
Alright, hope you enjoyed the video thus far of me making a diameter gauge to use when I'm doing my wood turning. I have included sizes from 7/8 to 3/8 for spindle turning, and I have also included two tenon sizes, the minimal size and the maximum size tenon that I feel safe chucking into my 50mm jaws on my bowl chuck. If you enjoyed this video, please like. If you would like to see more of my videos, please subscribe. And be safe in your shops and have a wonderful day.